Hello, today I am going to show you how to print on fabrics. Before you begin, check that you have enough supply level of ink. It is very important that the printer has enough ink, otherwise the result won't be too vibrant. Cut a piece of fabric the same size as the freezer paper. Coat this with a fabric medium. This is only optional. This allows the ink to strongly adhere on the fabric and avoid fading when washed or exposed to water or other elements. After you are done, let the medium completely dry. Next, take the freezer paper. Then flip the fabric so that the coated side is facing down. Place the shiny or glossy part of the freezer paper on top of the uncoated side. Run the iron on all corners of the fabric and make sure that the freezer paper is sticking on the fabric. And this is how they look like after being ironed. Place the fabric on the paper tray and make sure that it is facing the correct side so that it will print on the fabric and not the freezer paper. Next, open the PDF file or the image that you want to print. Select color fine, the paper size, and the scale should be 100%. Once you have your desired setting, click Print. I thought that the printing would take more than a minute, but the whole thing took less than a minute to print the whole page. And here is the printed fabric. And this is the close-up of the printed image. I was somehow disappointed that the pink background didn't come out the way I expected it. But maybe it is also because of the type and color of fabric I used. To use the fabric, simply peel off the freezer paper. I am going to use this printed fabric to make a miniature apron for the doll. This is going to be a no-stitch apron. I drew a 6mm by 5mm rectangle on the unprinted side of the fabric. After cutting the fabric, I then folded it lengthwise and used a round bottle to shape the sleeves opening. I then cut the excess fabric on the sleeve area. I also added a pocket in front of the apron. Then I cut 7mm by 3mm strips of fabric and glued them on the neck and hip area. If you haven't attached anything yet, don't forget to coat the edges of the fabric with glue to stop it from fraying. Then lastly, I added some lace and embellishments to make it look much nicer. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.